Okay, welcome back to our videos. We're looking at rounding decimal places with myself, Mr. Imran Iqbal from One to One Tutor. Okay, right. Now we're rounding to one decimal place, two decimal places, and three decimal places. Now, the first decimal place is the first place after the decimal point, which is here. So if I round to one decimal place, then I mustn't have any more numbers after here. There should be no numbers here. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that and get that out of the way, but so you know what I mean. Okay, so this is called our last digit. The next digit is called our decider. So that helps us to decide what we do. If the decider is less than 5, then we leave the last digit alone. So this is very similar to rounding to we had before to the nearest whole number. Same idea. Okay, so that's one decimal place. Now, if I was to round to two decimal places, here's the first decimal place, here's the second decimal place, then I stop here. And the next number will be called my decider. So the decider here is less than 5, so you leave everything as it is and you just copy it all down. So my answer is 0.25, not 25. 0.25. Okay, if I would round to three decimal places, so we have 1, 2, and 3 decimal places. So we've got to stop here. So put a dotted line here to say stop. This one is called our decider digit. This one's called our last digit because we shouldn't have any more digits after that. Now, because the decider is more than 5, we have to add 1 to the last digit. So 2 add 1 is, whoops.
2 add 1 is 3.
2 add 1 is 3. I was trying to write the number, but 3. And the 5 stays as is. So it doesn't matter whether you're doing one decimal place, two decimal places, or three decimal places. The technique is exactly the same. But one thing you must be careful about is this: that in your answer you only have up to one decimal place answer. The rest of it gets chopped off. So we have up to 2 decimal place answers here. 2 places, 1, 2 after the decimal point. Here we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places after the decimal point, and no more. So even though we had more numbers in our original question, we've got rid of them. So the number stopped at 3 places. All the rest of it gets chopped off after we do the rounding technique. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to do another row of questions, and then I'm going to give you guys, everybody on YouTube, a chance to have a go at other questions and do the questions. So let's have a look at 9.35. So 9.35, we have our last digit, and this one's going to be called the decider. Okay, that's a little bit funky, like a funky monkey. Okay, I think our pen is a little bit too thick there. Let's try last digit here. So one decimal place is here. So that's my last digit. That's my decider digit. It is 5. So we got to add 1 to 3. 3 becomes 4. So the answer is 9. Okay, that number doesn't look very nice. Okay, 9.4. 9.4 to one decimal place. Now let's look at the next column. 5.237. First, second decimal place. So we must stop here at the second decimal place. So this is our decider. So the decider is here, and this is our last digit. Last digit because we're doing 2 decimal places. So now because this one is 5 or more, it's 7. We add 1 to the 3, that becomes 4. Copy that down, copy that down, copy that down, and we have finished the second question. 5.24. That's excellent. Now 3DP. So we have here 1, 2, third decimal place. So we have to stop here. That becomes our last digit. That becomes our decider. So the decider is 5. That's lovely. If it's 5 or more, you add 1 to the last digit. 2 add 1 is 3. So that's 1. That's 5. That's 5. 5.513. So in this particular question, there we go. So we have our answer ready for us now. 9.4, 5.24, 5.513. Okay, let's have a go at the rest of the questions in this video, please. Here. So 3.695 to 2 decimal places, first, second. So we have to stop here, stop here. We look at the next number, the decider is telling us 5, so you have to add 1 to the 9. 9 add 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 6 add 1 is 7. So the answer becomes 3.70 to 2 decimal places. Let me get hold of my rubber now and get rid of this dotted line here so you don't get confused in the answer. Okay, let's get back to my pen. Now this one here, 84.1932, 2 decimal places. So we have to stop here. Look at the next digit, it's our decider. This is our last digit. Okay, last digit. So the decider is less than 5. So if it's less than 5, we leave the last digit alone. So the final answer is 84.1922 decimal places. And let's get our rubber and let's rub off this extra bit of a line here. And that's lovely, that's done. Okay, now the 2.99, that's a nice question. We have to do that to 3 decimal places. So that's 1, 2, 3. Put the dotted line down here to tell us when to stop, where to stop. We look at the next number. Oops. The next number is called our decider. This is our last digit. Because this is 9, it's more than 5. You add 1 to the 9. 9 and 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 9 and 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 9 and 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 and 1 is 3. So even though 3.000 is same as 3, you're not allowed to write down 3 because the answer says the answer to 3 decimal places. So you must have those zeros in there. So now you must have the zeros in there. Okay, 3.000. So these are the answers so far. So let's have a go at these questions while I just quickly pause the videos and then fetch up for you the answers. Okay, welcome back. I've now put on for you the solutions to those questions so you can check your work. Okay, and
the answer for that one.
Okay, so now just one small correction. It should be 5.7 here, please. So a small correction for everyone's following us. Correction. Okay, so that 5.8 should actually be a 5.7. So well spotted there. Okay, let's move on. We got all the answers done. Everybody wants to check those answers. They can check those answers. Okay, so we finished that exercise now. Okay, one other error that's been spotted is this one here. That one should be 8.66. Okay, thank you. Okay, so that's been sorted out. Okay.